What life-changing item can you buy for less than $100? A king-sized blanket for a queen-sized bed. A dash cam for your car can protect you from wrongful claims, also vandalisms and theft. Carbon monoxide detector. Blackout curtains for your bedroom. If you have a large lawn or a property that requires a lot of yard work, get some 3M War Tunes. About $50, and their combination hearing protection and Bluetooth headphones so you can actually hear your music without destroying your eardrums. Sharp knives for the kitchen. Condoms. Sunscreen. No skin cancer for me. Step 1, throw away all your socks. Step 2, buy 3 to 5 packages of the same sock. Step 3, enjoy a life without ever having to match socks again.